Hey, for a minute I was about to be, that's not really that slapping that hard. Huh?
Who had that loud music?
We were just playing a little bit of tunes.
Oh,
sorry.
I thought my car was blowing up.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, for a minute I was about to say, that's not really smacking that loud. Then he pushed that button, that shit hurt.
Hey.
Whoa.
That's sexy right there.
Hey, that's
man.
tight.
Like that.
Hey, that's tight.
That's some good shit, man.
All right, man.
All right, man.
That's
I love that, man. That shit right there, that's real music, man. That's real slap. You know what I mean? You can hear everything. I'm talking about your whole head feel like it's gonna pop off, man, but at the same time, it's lovely, man. It's beautiful.
Hey, I thought I was getting shot. I thought I was dying. I don't know what the fuck was happening. I thought somebody smacked into us or something. You know what I mean?
All right. Good shit right there, man.
It was good.
Hey, I'm gonna have to go ahead and bring something to you, man. Go ahead and get something really done, man.
Yeah,
I like
yeah.
that right there, man.
Right on, fellas.
It was nice meeting you, man.
Yeah.
All right, cool.